Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. One of subscriber request to make a video how to insert a PDF file into the project. So it's very easy. You can go insert here. So there's already option, too many options here, and one of option is import PDF, and there is also another option for link PDF. So import, you can directly import it. If you link, whenever you update the PDF, it will update also. This is the difference between these two. So when you are importing a PDF, just you can click the import PDF, and I have a PDF file somewhere. So let's say, okay, my house. Open. So here, very importantly, normally many people do mistakes. Resolution. This resolution is very important. So if you go to the lower resolution, like 72 or something, or 150, if you go make okay, you can place the PDF wherever you want. So just click here. So you see this one little blur. Okay. So I am going to make insert PDF again. For PDF. Let me choose same, and I will go with the 600. Okay. So this is 600. So this is 150. So compare to 150 and 600. It's possible. See this different. This is 150. This is 600. So always try to make 600, or if your computer very slow, go for the lower, but not 72, because it will become very blur. So this is say very clear. Okay. So once you click here, you have some options. So if you go manage link, that means it is import. So if you go manage link, it is already here. So zero meaning it's gone because I deleted already. That's why it's showing zero. So click this manage link, and you can whenever you update, you can uh, relink or re-import. See, you can reload from also, and you can reload also. Okay, it is almost works some link like link, but it's a type of import. So let's link the file. Let's so go to the menu, insert, link PDF. So I will take my same my house. So still I will go with the 600. So this is the link, and this is import. So if you go to the manage link, whatever you select, so you see this is link and this is import. Okay. So the link, it's coming right now. Import, it's coming something like this. Okay. So let's open the PDF. Same, lightly. So I'm using here Revo. So open Revo, and I will edit something. Escape. I don't want to. So let's draw something. Let's make cloud this one. Okay. And I will save this one. So here, now I will click this manage link. So this one already, I will remove this one because already I deleted. So this one I will make reload. Okay. And this one, we can reload same concept. So also reload. So you see both clouds are came both there. So it's almost same. So you can use whatever you want. But still there is some difference will be there, but not major. So you can see the cloud. So this is the both import and link. So if you see here enable snap. So let's say I want to draw a detail line. So detail line. So I cannot snap here. So I believe if we make enable snap, so this one I make enable snap. So let's go detail line. So you can snap the line. So even you can draw the wall. Let's go for the wall. Uh, you see it's selecting. See this one? So what I have to do, just go to the wall and yeah, you can type WA, otherwise you can go to the wall. So here, there's a core, finish space interior, something like that. So I go finish space exterior. So I select this one and this one. So this, you can see it's jumping out and in. So I will go in. So you see they perfectly aligned to the wall. So you can draw this wall. So again, I will put another wall here. I want like this. Oh no, other way. I want like this. I think I here. Okay, now TR, I can connect over. So easy to trace from PDF. So this is the important thing. You can do other things, send to back, filter from, but it's a very nice thing. If you go to the 3D, so you can see this wall is already created. SD is say that. So I hope you understand very well. This is the import of the PDF and advantage of the PDF I have shown you. So inshallah in other video I will talk about this other thing, import CAD. And the main and then another main thing is this coordination model. It's very important. Inshallah in next video I will talk about it. So until next video, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi